There are a lot of loan apps on Google Play Store and Apple App Store, but there are some certain best recommended loan apps in Nigeria that are very good that you can also use to borrow money. They all have their own terms and conditions. Some of them will not ask you for BVN, and some of them will ask you for BVN. Some of them will also give you a loan with a very low interest rate. And some of them will also give you a loan with an high interest rate. So it all depends on which one you are very much interested with because they all have their own terms and conditions. There are some that will borrow you money probably up to 50,000 naira, and that is immediately you try to borrow money from them. And there are some that will say that you have to borrow a small amount of money from them before you can have access to loan. And also some of them will tell you have to do some transaction on their app before you're able to have access to borrow money from the app or from their platform. So what I'm trying to let you know is that they all have different terms and conditions. So if you not see what you want on this on one particular app, it doesn't mean that if you try to check another loan app, you won't see it. So in this video, I'll be walking you through some best recommended loan apps in Nigeria that you can try out and see if you will be able to get a loan from them. So I'll walk you through different loan apps and also look into what people are saying about them. So there's no hidden secret on this. So we're gonna be showing you everything. So the first loan app I would like to walk you through the app is Fair Money. Fair Money is a fast rising loan apps in Nigeria and some other country. So and the app have generated over 10 million downloads as you can see right there on the screen. So this app is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store for you to download. And they also have their website as well that you can also check out. So you can see right there. Then the app have generated over 4.7 rating overall, and the total review so far is 619,000 plus, which means people that are using this app are also dropping review, which make it more unique and it also make more sense. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see some snapshots about the app, just like this one right there. So there are a lot of things you can actually do with Fair Money loan apps. So once you download it, you have a one bank for all your needs. You can get a loan of up to 1 million naira inside the app, and you can also see that you can enjoy up to 10% to 26% interest per annum if you keep money with uh, Fair Money. And what they're gonna be doing with the money, if you're interested in knowing that, they're gonna be using your money to run a business, such as borrowing people and earning some interest. So those interests they are getting from people is what they are going to pay you on the long run. So that is just for the how they'll be using your money for business. And for the 30 free transfer every month. So if you are using Fair Money to send out money, so you're gonna be getting or transferring money for free with 30 transactions. So after that 30 transaction, once you exceed that, you will be charged at least up to 10 naira per transaction. So you can also see lightning fast bill payment. So inside Fair Money app, you can also buy airtime, data, cable TV, and internet subscription. You also have zero account charges, zero hidden fees, safe and secure free ATM cards. You can see this how their ATMs look like. So they are trying to compete with some other uh, apps like OP and then Palmpay. So this make it more sense. Then you can see one bag for all your needs. So you can see how the apps looks like. So depend on how much you're interested in borrowing, probably they're not gonna ask you for BVN. So you can see the app was just updated on the 3rd April 2024, which is yesterday. So they keep the app up to date so you don't have any issue of bugs or anything. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see the latest review from Alima Ali. She dropped 4-star rating on April 1, 2024. She said, so far, I have had a good experience using the app. I like that I can save on it instead of borrowing, and unlike when I first started saving on it, I'm no longer in undated with message calls asking me to pay or to take a loan. However, two things I don't enjoy. Why can't I change my password to the app? I have checked and there is no feasible place to change password from. Please, this should be worked on. Also, why can't I extend the period on my fair lock plan without waiting for the maturity date? So most times you can't extend it since you already started. You have to, um if you want to extend it, you have to wait till the fund drop, then you can increase it again. And you cannot withdraw once you lock fund inside the platform. So I think overall it makes sense. I'm going to be making more videos around fair money because we noticed that some people are finding it so difficult. Something like changing password. I'm very sure there might be uh, option inside the app, which of course you might not know how to go about it. So let's check on the review. You can see forgotten password. You can see, kindly click on forgotten pin on the app to reset your password. You can see right there. So obviously it's there. Maybe you don't know how to navigate to that. So this is another review from Boma. So you can see 19 April 2024. So you are seeing that there are a lot of uh, reviews right there. This 3-star rating. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see another review, which is 3-star rating from Oluyinka. So you can see there are a lot of reviews on Fair Money. So you can check it out on Google Play Store. And if you are using an iPhone, you can try it out on Apple App Store to see how the app works. So the next one I'm going to be showing you in this video is Rent Money. Rent Money is another instant cash loan app in Nigeria that you can use to borrow money with a very low interest rate. Trust me. So Rare Money has been in existence for a while, and there is a lot of things you can actually do with their app. So the app have generated over 1 million downloads so far. You can see the overall rating is 3.7, and total reviews so far is 24,000 reviews. So this are from different people that have used in the app. And this download are from people that downloaded the app. So Lemony is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So you can check on both platforms if you are using different device. So there are a lot of opportunities with Real Money that you can also benefit from. So if you scroll down right there, you can see you can get a loan of up to 4 million naira as it's showing right there. You can see along the power of finance, and the app interface is very beautiful. I like that. And there are a lot of features inside the Real Money app as well. Add money, send money, buy airtime, and pay bills. So there are a lot of features inside. You can also get their card as well. So you see how it works. Then you can see another snapshot. Great interest on savings and deposits. So you also get interest on savings and deposits right there. And you can also see convenient and instant loan for everyone that are interested in getting a loan from Rent Money. So there are a lot of features inside Rent Money. So you can see pay bills, buy airtime and data. So you see, any money when you refer a friend to Fair Money as well. So you're gonna be creating more content around Fair Money. So in case you are very much interested, you can also join millions of Nigerians who trust the platform. And if you scroll all the way down, they also have their card, which of course you can use to withdraw money from any nearest ATM machine. And if you scroll down, you can see the app was updated on the 25th of March 2024. And if you also scroll down, you see the overall rating and you can see the latest review from the app, which is 1-star rating. You can see the review was dropped on the 22nd of March 2024 from Oyedokun. So you can see there are a lot of reviews right there. You can see another one right there from Mohammed Jimeta, 1-star rating as well. And this another 1-star rating from uh Gebi 8. March 2024. So as you all see all this one star rating, that doesn't mean that they don't have a good rating. So these are just the one that Google Play Store decide to select for us. So it's very fine. So you can see their 5-star rating is more than other rating, and from 5 star to 1 star. So it all depends on what those people are actually facing. But then once you are trying to use this app, you might not face that kind of issue. So it all depends, and that is just for rent money. So the next one in this video is Ella Credit. It's also called Ella Savings, Loan and Bills. So there are a lot of features inside this app as well that you can also benefit from. So you can also get an instant loan within 5 minutes. The app have over 1 million downloads. The overall rating is 3.2, and total reviews so far on this app is 35,100 thereabout. There are a lot of opportunities on this app as well, as they also have more things in common, just like the other apps we have talked about. So you can see manage your money on the go. You can pay bills, get card, loan, savings, insurance, and also get airtime from the app. They also keep the app up to date so that uh, all their customer will not be left out from their new features. You can also get a loan of up to 1 million naira from the app, and you can also see some other features where you can do bulk payment, get more done with our new bulk payment option. You can see everything right there. So Air Credit also have a lot of features which I believe you're gonna be interested in. So you can download Ella Credit from Google Play Store and Apple App Store to enjoy all their benefits. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see when the app was updated, which is January 30th, 2024. I think that's quite a long time. But then probably they are not having any issue on their app. Because if there's any glitch, I believe they are going to update that. So if you scroll all the way down, gonna be seeing the overall rating and how people drop their reviews. You can see 5-star rating is more than other rating, and then followed by the 1-star rating. And if you scroll all the way down, you can also see some other features right there. So on the reviews. So this review was dropped on November 20th, 2023. And if you scroll down as well, you can see from Abiodun, which is 3-star rating, and see what the review talk about. And if you scroll all the way down again, you can see from Bosede Adegoke, which is 4-star rating, and this also makes sense. So this review have over 790 people. So with all this, I believe different people have different experience when they are trying to get things done. But that doesn't mean that if you are trying to use this app, you will also face the same issue. So you have to try it out and see if you will be able to get a loan from them. So these are the best recommendable loan app in Nigeria, which I believe you can try out, and let's know in the comment section which one actually worked best for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.